Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to be opening the May Bella Beauty Box subscription. So I just got this one delivered yesterday, so I'm keen to see what's in there. Let's open it up. Should not be allowed scissors. I've got Azula down here helping me open. You wanna come say hello? Up. Ah! Ah! Okay. I didn't mean up all the way. Oh, hello. Okay, well, I need to open this and show everybody what we got in this month's box. Is that okay? Alright, so this month we've got the classic blue. So last month we had a nice light pink, but this is their standard colour, so it's got that nice texture again. ASMR. Alright, let's see what's in here. So it's just sealed like that. Rip open the tissue paper. Ooh, okay, so we've got the card first up. And what have we got? Alright, so we've got, blemish controlling moisturiser. So this is for oily combination skin. I don't really have oily skin. I tend to have quite dry skin actually, so I'm hoping it will still work on my skin. What's it say on the little pamphlet? Looking for a clear and shine-free complexion? Try the Swiss Vitamin B3 Blemish Controlling Moisturiser. It's lightweight, oil-free, and combines the powerhouse ingredients to prevent and reduce the appearances of blemishes while hydrating the skin. Okay, I might give it a smell test. My dog's just choking in the background. Are you okay? Oh, thick and chunky. Oh, yummy. Smells like a bit like a fruit cup. You want to smell? Okay. Yum. All right. Ugh, I've got my hair caught in it already. That's a good start. All right, might give it a pump and a test. Oh, it's locked. I hate these things. Is that open now? Yeah. So obviously I'm not going to put it on my face because I haven't got makeup on, but I'll just use it on my hands. General, like normal cream moisturizer consistency. Oh, it just smells really nice though. Does feel a lot stickier and greasier than normal moisturizers though. Like, it looks like it's all gone, but it's actually, I can still feel it on my skin. I don't know if you can see the shine. It definitely feels moisturizing. Just might take a while to soak up. But I'll be keen to see how that goes on my face later tonight once I get this makeup off. So what else do we have in here? Not that my hands are all sticky. Coach Dreams, Coach New York, Eau de Parfum. So this is obviously a little perfume. Coach Dreams evokes the freedom and adventure of a road trip across America. The scent combines radiant bitter orange with the sensual warmth of gardenia, cactus flower, and Joshua tree. Regular retail price $155. So we've just got a little sample size, so I'll give that a smell. If I can get this open because my fingers are so sticky now. Oh, it's so cute. I don't usually use the perfumes that come with this because I've got really bad allergies and sensitive sinuses, so perfumes usually give me a headache unless I'm using one of my favorites that I use every day. I've only got two that I use that don't give me a headache. But for you guys, I will test this one out. Actually, that's quite nice. It's not very strong at all. Now, I have no idea what cactus flower or Joshua tree smells like, but it's quite nice. Very flowery, but I kind of like those scents. All right, what else do we have? Ooh, Insta Perfect Liquid Highlighter. I've only recently started using liquid highlighter actually, but not as highlighter as such. I've been mixing it in with my foundation. I find it provides a nice like glowy look. So what's it say about this one? Create your ultimate party look with these gorgeous highlighting products from Essence. Ah, each item is cruelty free. Cool. So I might test that one out on the skin. Why didn't I do the moisturizer last? I can't open anything now. It kind of looks like an acrylic paint. Whoa. Oh, she glowy. It's a nice gold highlighter too, which are my favorites, so nice. Should I just pop some on? Ooh. Yes, queen. Cool, so that's another good one. And then we've got Irish Moor Mud. Purifying Black Mask. So I think that one's pretty explanatory, but we'll see what the package says. A purifying and hydrating mask made with Irish Moor mud to help draw out oil, dirt and grime while infusing the skin with moisturizing goodness and antioxidant benefits. Harvested by hand, blackmore mud helps minimize pores and fine lines, especially combined with hijiki seaweed, volcanic ash and activated charcoal, which is all contained in here. Okay, I might give it a smell. I'm not going to put it on because I'm not really prepped for that. Is it black? Ooh, it's black. Actually smells quite nice too. I don't know. I can't explain it. It just smells clean. What else? Ooh, I like this. Oh my gosh, are you serious? This is a satin hand cream. That's so funny. I like the packaging. Okay, so what do we got about this one? Take care of your hands with this signature Evelyn Rose scent from Crabtree Evelyn. Expect a blend of Italian lemon, delicate rose, and vetiver, I have no idea what that is, to smooth out your hands. Loaded with hydrators, this formula is extra nourishing, leaving your skin nourished wherever you go. Okay, well, guess we better try it out, even though we just literally used a moisturizer on our hands. I also do have highlighter still on my hand. I'll just use a little bit. Oh wow, that's very perfumed. Oh wow, it's so nourishing. It's really thick. I'm glad I only used a little bit. Oh no, that smell is so strong. Yeah, this would, if you've got allergy problems like me, I don't think this would be good for you. Like the consistency and the hand cream by itself is awesome. It's just the scent. It's way too strong. So I don't think I'll be able to use that one, unfortunately, but maybe one of my friends will like it because I don't like wasting products. So I'll find someone who doesn't have a sensitive nose like me that will benefit from it. But it is really nourishing. And then we've just got another body moisturizer from Palmolive. So this is rose with macadamia oil. I'm not going to open that up because it's a little packet. It's going to make it hard. But safe to say, with these packages, you don't need to buy products like you normally would. So I will not have to buy moisturizers for a long time. And that's it for this month. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope it gave you a little bit of an insight into what is in this month if you want to sign up. And I'll be back next month to show you what's in the June one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!